guys, it's me, Fatima,
And just me.
And
my lovely sister. And this is what happens with when you have our family. Okay, first of all, we'd like you guys to know that We have a pool.
a kiddie pool because be careful. Because why not?
And we're gonna film. She's gonna film me dancing in the rain, and I'm gonna film her dancing in the rain. Oh my God, what am I doing?
And this is what happens when nobody's around us, and our mom lets us go.
So
outside
start
while it's raining.
dancing. You see her pretty moves. Pretty moves.
So fast. And if you notice, I'm a giant cat.
She's so fat. Oh my God. She's climbing this mountain up. I'm gonna drag her in there.
Show me at the top.
Oh my God! Ow! Ow!
You want me to
Hold the cam. Don't.
Oh my God!
If you're wondering, my sister has like shaving cream on her. It's a long story. Oh my gosh, that sky looks so pretty.
It's not even shaving.
Whatever.
It's just baby powder and water.
Yeah, that house is for sale. And also, one of you guys made a suggestion. Well, one of you guys made a suggestion that we film our cats, and I would really like to do that one day. So, yeah.
The cat's over
That's one of my cats right there. Here, let's go down and show her. That is Squeaky. She's right there. Whoa! Squawkers! Here, kitty. Go, kitty. Here, girl. That's our cat, Squeaky. It's very sweet. She likes peoples. But she is very camera shy. All of our cats don't like camera. I don't know. I don't know why. That's our weeds.
Let's get back to filming her dancing.
Okay, let's film you dancing now. Dancing in the rain. Time to feel like things are out of control. Like we're living in a circus. Oh, it's time to figure out way on the world. When you're out, it's kind of perfect. Turn it up till your thing don't stop. Let the game begin. Let's jump right in. I wanna get stuck with you. Ooh, 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 ooh. In the middle of the party, we're just getting started. We get stuck with you. Ooh, ooh, now you dance. It's like a better view.
Get stuck in the middle with you. I don't want to get stuck with you. Hey.
That's her beautiful hair.
My hair is glowing and beautiful and knotted, which is awesome. I love the water.
Hold the camera. Hold the camera. Yes.